That definitely will be useful, but let's wait to see where we can apply that. What information can we pull from this problem?
I don't know. There's a bunch of numbers?
Exactly. What numbers are those?
Well, there's 170, 3, 50, 3, 30, 10.
Well, those are all the values, that's true, but what do those mean?
I don't know. I told you, I suck at math.
Why don't we go one by one? What sentence contains the number 170?
Farmer Jack has 170 feet of fencing.
Exactly. So the total amount of fencing is 170 feet. What about the first 3?
Well, that's the number of pins he wants to make, but I don't see how that's useful.
It's not really. It's just to set up the situation. So let's look at the 50. What does that represent?
Well, it's the length of fencing for the chicken enclosure, but it's only 3 of the sides. So what am I supposed to do with that?
Well, we have the barn wall is 10 feet long, right?
Right. But I still have to deal with the other 3 sides.
It says the pens are rectangular. What do you know about rectangles?
They have 2 pairs of sides with equal lengths and 90-degree angles?
Exactly. So we know one of the side lengths. How can we use that relationship?
Another side has to be 10 feet long, so that's only 40 feet left of fencing, so the other sides have to each be 20 feet long.
That's exactly it. You've got this. So if we have the dimensions of a rectangle, how do we find the area?
Area equals base times height, right?
Yeah. So what numbers can we put into that equation?
Well, it's 10 by 20 feet, so that's the base and the height.
Mm-hmm. Now, what's the area?
10 times 20, so 200 feet?
Well, don't forget to multiply the units, too.